Integrating Typeform with WordPress allows you to embed interactive forms, surveys, or quizzes directly into your WordPress site. Here's how to do it. Create a Typeform. Log into Typeform and create your form, survey, or quiz. Customize it to your needs and finalize it. Get the embed code. Once your Typeform is ready, go to the Share tab. Choose the embed option and select your preferred embed method. Copy the provided embed code. Log into WordPress. Open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page or post where you want to embed the Typeform. Use the block editor. If you're using the block editor, add a new block by clicking the plus icon. Search for and select the custom HTML block. Paste the Typeform embed code into this block. Click Update or Publish to save your changes. Use the classic editor. If you're using the classic editor, switch to the text tab in the editor. Paste the Typeform embed code where you want the form to appear. Switch back to the Visual tab to see a preview. Preview and test. Preview the page to ensure the Typeform is correctly embedded and functional. Test the form to confirm it works as expected.